How to sync pictures with sound on TikTok. So, the first thing you want to do is head over to your app and then tap on the plus icon to create a new post. And from here, you want to tap on the bottom right corner to upload your photos. Once your photos are uploaded like this, if you want to import a sound from a video, you can import that video, but if you want to choose sound from TikTok, you can choose it from here. And once you choose your sound, what you can do is tap on this icon and import a video first. Once you have imported your video, tap on this icon to edit and scroll all the way to the side to delete the video. You can just delete the video, and once you do that, just head over to your sound section and choose the sound that you want to select. So I'm just going to select this one right here. And once you have selected your sound, just tap on this icon to edit again. And here, if you scroll to the side, you will see this option called Sound Sync. So if you just turn it on, it will sync sound automatically and you don't have to change anything. And it will add beats to your sound, and then it will auto swipe for you. Once you do that, tap on Next, and then you can post the video or the photo with this audio. And if someone views your post, then they will see the photos will be automatically synced with the sound. If you found the video helpful, hit the like and subscribe. I will see you on the next one.